When you have a beautiful dress with a matching blouse, an apron, and a flowered wreath that all go together, it's a shame to top it off with a jacket that totally destroys the look. Stylish jackets for dirndls really can complement an outfit. My sister Teresa adapted a store-bought pattern to make this beautiful jacket. She bought a second-hand, adult-sized cashmere coat and carefully took it apart, saving the welted buttonholes. She used this McCall's pattern number M7461 to make the basic jacket, and then she substituted her own stand-up collar but used view B for the other elements. The collar is a bright red velour, very soft. Using red accents against the gray makes the seam lines, collar, and cuffs really stand out. She embroidered around the buttonholes using red 1/4 inch satin ribbon. Red piping in the front and back seams adds a pop of color too. Teresa created a belt with red rickrack and silver buttons to add interest to the back. Colorful flowered trim along the cuffs along with pretty buttons add more character to the jacket. Sleeves can be worn straight or rolled up. Stylish jackets are not only warm, but they really finish off a beautiful dress and apron. Thank you, Teresa, for sharing your awesome jacket creation. For more dirndl ideas, subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions or comments, email me at ofesslady@gmail.com.